just imagine if you have a software that runs just like Figma, you can design in it, add interactions and animations, but this time you can publish it and showcase it to the real world. For those who don't know what Framer is, it is a no-code development tool where you can design your website and develop it in real time. Seamless interactions, jaw-dropping animations, and whatnot. Framer is by far the best tool that I've ever come across. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about the 5 reasons why designers need to learn Framer in 2025. Hey, my name is Ankit Deshwal. I'm a self-taught product designer and a YouTube content creator. Watch the video till the end if you want to know how to use AI with Framer to level up your Framer game. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Now, this is one of the major issues that every designer might have faced once in their lifetime. They design something and the final outcome is completely different from what they imagined. Framer gives you the flexibility to design and develop the website in real time, and you can put all your imagination and creativity into it. And there are no restrictions whatsoever. Everything is just similar to Figma. You design, you add interactions, links, prototype, and the final product is ready to publish, and you can publish it whenever you want. So from now on, don't worry about any miscommunication between the designer and the developer, because you are the developer in this case. Designers need to create their personal brand. And by personal brand, I don't mean you have to create content or be visible on Instagram making reels. All you have to do is showcase your work to the crowd that you want to attract. Making a portfolio is one of the things that you can do to make your personal brand. An amazing portfolio is a key to stand out among other designers and get hired faster. You should make your portfolio website to give your work and yourself credibility. Make people think that you are really into what you actually do. Now let's imagine if you are applying for a job with thousands of applicants. Now 30% of them don't even have a portfolio. 20% of them do have a portfolio, but that is really shit. And 10 to 20% may be having a Behance portfolio or just sharing their Figma case study. But you have a website that showcases your skills, work, and tell a lot about you. Now there are high chances that you will be noticed more than those other designers. If you know how to use auto layout feature in Figma, then you can easily understand how the stack feature works in Framer. And you can create your responsive sections and the whole web page as well. All you have to do is create your design using stack, add 3 breakpoints for the web, tablet, and phone, and you are all good to go. Making responsive design is so much easy using Framer. Now when you create a website, it's not like you will just create it and it will magically go to the audience. You have to do a lot when you develop a website. Well, not really. Framer does optimize your website automatically by itself. And it also provides you a documentation on how to optimize the website for the best SEO. Go subscribe to the channel, The Framer University, if you really want to learn how to use Framer. In Framer, you don't have to separately do the SEO of the website. Just doing the basic things and following the rules of Framer, you can actually make the website appear to the target audience. If you have used Framer before, then you know that Framer does not provide every single feature or component in itself. There are many times that you might want custom components, but it is not present in Framer. Now look at this code component that I made using the code component feature in Framer. But the funny part is I don't even know how to code, but ChatGPT does. So I asked AI to write me the code of a component that I want and paste it in the Framer code component, and voila, your custom component is ready to use in Framer. Here is another video from Nandi that can help you create custom components using AI into Framer. Let's summarize today's video. Framer can help you remove the communication gap between a designer and a developer. You can create your personal website and publish it. You can create SEO optimized websites, and it can also help you create responsive websites. Apart from that, you can use AI into Framer to create custom components. And I highly recommend you go and check out Nandi's channel, The Framer University, if you want to learn how to use Framer. And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, do leave a like. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share it among your friends. And see you till next time.